There's an unusual cop patrolling this park in Los Angeles.
Looks like they take it off of Star Wars.
Meet the K5 Robocop.
We actually posted it on our social media and we got so many like, oh my god, it's so cute.
Where is it? I wanna go
It's
see
genius, yeah.
People fixing the world.
Welcome to the city of Huntington Park.
The Robocop patrols a circuit around Salt Lake Park in South LA. It's got 360-degree video and it uses AI to detect anomalies such as fights or vandalism. You can push this button to contact a real police officer, but it doesn't have any weapons. It's made by a company in Silicon Valley.
No weapons. We actually draw a very, very thick line between what we do and weaponry. And the reason for that is we're there to observe and report. And so if you're going to try to intervene or intercept any kind of negative activities, that's something where you need a human involved.
The park has seen antisocial behaviour and trouble with gangs. So what do the locals think?
I like the robot. I think it's really nice to have around. And I think it makes the park feel safer.
It does kind of like help prevent some stuff. You know, makes people think twice.
Having a robot is something that we could use. Police can't always be on top of things, you know, things always happen behind their backyard that go unnoticed.
There was an incident like a while back where I think some kids were vandalizing property and the police arrived right away.
Because of the robot?
Yes.
You don't feel that it's interfering in your privacy?
I mean, not really. It's not like it follows me home, you know?
But not everyone is a fan.
Oh, I've seen kids kicking it, smacking it with their skateboards. I don't care.
It costs $75,000 a year, that robot.
That thing?
Yeah. You don't think that's good money?
They should give it to the poor people, man.
The police say during a pilot, 50% fewer crimes were reported, and there was a 30% increase in arrests. Just don't ask it to go upstairs.